Hey guys, it's Heidi with another very short but useful Instagram tutorial. And in today's, I'm going to share with you a very simple way how you can add an Instagram story cover without first having to post it to your story and waiting for 24 hours. Let me show you what I mean. Now go into your Instagram, open it up, and this is my Instagram account. And these are called highlights. But as you can see, every highlight of mine has a cover, sort of like an icon that represents each highlight. And today I'm going to share with you a very simple way to add a story highlight cover without first having to post it to your story and waiting for 24 hours. With this method, you'll be able to add a story cover straight from your gallery. Let's get started. Now you want to tap on the new, and if you tap on new, it's going to open up all of the stories that you've posted. Now just choose anyone, a random one. So I'll go with this one here from my time in Munich and go to next, edit cover, come to the picture icon, and here you want to find the icon you want to use. As you can see right here, I already have an icon that I'm going to use. And by the way, if you're interested in how to make your own highlight covers, I'll let a card slide out right now. You can click on that and watch that video after this one, or I'll also leave a link in the description. You can click on that link to watch that video and learn how to make a story cover for your own highlights. Now tap on the highlight cover you want. Mine is going to be this one. Resize, making sure everything you want to show is within this cycle. Be patient to get it right. Now that looks good for me. Now I'm going to tap on done once again. Now give your highlight a name, or find a name that matches the stories that your highlight is going to be holding. For me, it's going to be stories that I post about Black Lives Matter. So I'm going to put that right here, but I'm going to write it short because it wouldn't fit out there. So I'm going to go BLM, Black Lives Matter, best. And I also have a tutorial on how you can get custom fonts like this to use on your Instagram account. And if you're also interested in that, I'll let a card slide out for you to check that video out too. Or I'll leave a link in the description. Better still, I'll link it at the end of the video. So let's move on. Now tap on add in the upper right corner of your screen. And voila, it's right there guys. Like you just saw, with this method, you don't have to post your Instagram story and wait for 24 hours before adding a highlight cover to your highlights. If this video was in any way helpful to you, please consider giving me a like, sharing with a friend who might also find it very interesting, and of course, please subscribe to my channel because I will be making videos like this every other day. My name is Heidi and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.